Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. We talked about this exact idea yesterday. You might remember it because 7,800 people saw this. Warning, critical Bitcoin update. This can shake the market. Expect the unexpected this week. We talked about if the support was lost, you would see a move to the lower trend line. We've got support lost and move to the lower trend line. Very important to understand that on the weekly chart, like this candle means so much. When you get that weekly candle close, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you lose a key level, like you have to assume you move down to the next level by level, right? Now, there is some support close right here, plenty of support down like 39,700, 37,214, and then there's even more support down here, 35,000. But we're going to zoom into the daily real quick and see that we've got this. I mean, essentially, this is a rising wedge. There is a 68% chance of a break to the downside. Now, can you get one more bounce? Sure. But the CPI numbers are coming out tomorrow. But right now, the focus is on this lower trend line. You need, every time the price action came down here, it's bounced. So you'd start to get some type of bullish market structure down here. You can look for another move higher, but if this thing breaks lower, you do not want to be a part of this. It'll be massive drop for Bitcoin. CPI is inflation. Numbers are going to come out, and I don't think they're going to be amazing. That'll happen at 8:30 tomorrow in the morning. So be ready for market shakeup. Definitely some volatility. And we're going to talk about this in detail in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person in March made $17,000 in the trading group. In April, in a couple days, 11 days, he's up almost $14,000. He's made $31,000 in the trading group. We nail these Bitcoin moves so you can save a ton of money in this market. This person used to struggle to bring in $4,000 a month, and now he's doing that in a day when the market is good. You the man. Listen, this person, shout out to Styles, he was able to make $97,000 in 1 month. I mean, he almost 4x'd his money in a month. When you're tired of taking losses, let me help you. I've got close to 5,000 people in the trading group. Let me help you change the game. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I recruited some of the top traders from outside the group and some that I taught to trade. These 3x short tokens, here this went up 70% in 5 days. Vechain short, 70% gains. You're making money when the market is getting wrecked. 50% gains out of Luna short. 3x gains. This is not super high leverage, but think about it. Everybody else is losing money and you're making money. Learn to trade the market both ways. I've got VIP charts only. I've got some of the top traders from outside the group, top traders in the group posting these setups. Like, it's a beautiful thing. We're working together to kill it. This market is too much to pay attention to one person. I talked about this idea where SPX pivots are the key, and we could see another drive lower. Matter of fact, I went one step further. Today, this morning, I said SPX will gap down on open. Check. It did that. Tomorrow, CPI comes out 8:30. Don't get chopped up in this volatility. I'm just going to be patient here. I'm not trying to force any trades. Everybody else is looking for a bounce. I'm not trying to force any trades. What happened? SPX gapped down. You can pull this information up. I started following stock traders when I learned how to trade crypto. And the first 30 minutes of the market open is when you get all your volatility, right? These gaps often get filled, but the point is you can tell which direction the market's going to head based on futures. Like, you can tell. If you see that the market's going to drop, then you have to look at Bitcoin and think it's going to do the same thing. You guys need these updates, and I'm here for you. So CPI index, inflation. If these numbers come out crazy, that means Fed has to raise the rates more. That means Bitcoin could see some downside. Volatility is coming tomorrow. Watch. Keep your head in this game. Listen, it costs money to learn how to trade this market. It costs exponentially more if you don't learn how to trade it. Funny because you need 3 to 5 years to get a degree, which I think is, and everybody wants their kids to go to school and work for somebody else. Why? Waste of time. You need 5 to 10 years to gain experience in a top 9 to 5 job. Waste of time. You need 10 years of training to become a professional athlete. Hey, if you got the skills, God gift to play professional sports, hey, 10 years and you're going to make life-changing money. But traders give up if they're not successful in the first month. You've got to keep your head in the game. Don't get stuck thinking. Society has painted this picture where, hey, go to school, get a bunch of student loans, go to college. People get sucked into it and they get brainwashed. And the people that make a lot of money are the ones that do something different. Start your own business, side hustle, anything. Start a YouTube channel. Start posting on social media. Do not get stuck in the 9 to 5. If you're there now, start working on something on the side. Do something for yourself. Trading gives you the ability to make a ton of money in a short period of time, period. In this market, Bitcoin's designed to go parabolic. It's designed to go parabolic. They're going to cut the supply in half every 4 years, period. Listen, bull traps, if you guys would just learn this. Bull traps confirm a very bearish scenario. Also, lower highs. So you see here, you've got your high and a lower high. And I said, hey, not good to print a bull trap here. If this happens, a break lower would confirm a double top. This is a bearish scenario. If this happens, and this was $46,000, you would have saved a tremendous amount of money. When you see a bull trap, get out of there. You would have saved 17% on Bitcoin and probably 30% on your altcoins. You have to, whenever you get trapped in this market, quickly flip the other direction. You learn the rules of this market, you cannot win. Period. This person nailed the bull trap. Basically sat on the sidelines, made about $5,000 in profit because he jumped in after the bull trap. I'm telling you, these traps over the last 6 to 8 months have completely changed my trading strategy for the better. My win rate through the roof. The Bitcoin weekly candle. One candle is so important. And I told you guys, a close below 43,200. Very important that bulls hold this level to avoid more downside. They lost the key level. Weekly candles are very important. Pay attention to. It's just one candle. But I'm telling you, as soon as this happens Sunday night, p.m. Eastern time, when this happens, it confirms like this level was lost. And then you're trying to figure out, okay, where's the next level down? 39,000, 37,000, 35,530, 34,000. Okay, this is not amazing. Skip these downtrends. They're no fun. There's nothing. Obviously, you're trading short. It's run season. But you cannot ride these downtrends in this market. The pullbacks are brutal, and they will devastate your portfolio. If you sell and you go into USDT, you're in it, and you miss a move, who cares? You didn't take a loss. How many times does this price action revisit the exact same levels where you're able to get back in at the same price? SPX is the key. When this thing finally breaks out to the upside, I'm looking for a bounce of Bitcoin. You could get a short-term bounce. This CPI is coming out tomorrow. If it's crappy and this thing just dumps, I'm looking for Bitcoin to follow. And it's, scammy price action. And we'll look for oversold bounces. But these are all ideas I learned over the years, so you don't have to struggle. I want to make sure you guys are on the super highway of success, right? Continue to watch this channel, subscribe to this channel, learn these ideas, changing money, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.